Now see children, we have given you a language assignment. Now listen to it very carefully. There are few commonly used collective nouns which are given below. Clear? Now, with these collective nouns, you have to learn all the collective nouns that has been given here. All the collective nouns you will have to learn that has been given here. Kindly note that these collective nouns will be tested in the exam. So we can give these collective nouns in the exam also. Okay? And what you will do is, from each group of collective nouns, first 5 you are supposed to copy in your language notebook. Okay? First 5 from each group, like from animal, for people group you will copy till 5, 1 to 5. For animals again you will copy 5. For things again you will copy 5 in your notebook, language notebook. And then you will have to do all the exercises in your language notebook. Clear? I hope it's clear to all of you. And learn all the collective noun, list of all the collective noun that has been given. Okay? After that, see, we have given a composition. A lucky draw was won by you at the school fair. Relate what you did at the fair, what your lucky draw prize was, and how you felt. So this also you will have to copy in your English language notebook. Do in English language notebook. You will have to copy in your English language notebook. We have, as we have explained the composition, I'll just explain the composition. With compositions, we start off with an introduction. So this was the introduction. Then we write the body of the composition, right, in paragraphs. So here we have divided the paragraphs to explain what all you did. See, you did what you did in your fair. So that was there in one paragraph. What your lucky draw prize was. So that is again mentioned in another paragraph. And finally how you felt. So that is again mentioned in the third paragraph. So introduction and each detail is mentioned properly in separate paragraphs. And then with that we come to an end of the composition, and here we write the conclusion at the end. Clear? So you will have to copy this composition also in your language notebook. Okay children? And finally see, in the literature chapter Birbal's Khichdi, we asked you to write the answers of think and answer part by yourself. There were 2 questions and you were supposed to write it by yourself. I'm giving you the answers today. You can copy it in your literature notebook. Okay? And if you have written it by yourself, I'm absolutely fine with that, no problem. But in that case, please refer to the answer given to you, that no point has been missed out that in what you have written. That should be clear. Okay? You should see that you have, whatever you have written and whatever I am giving you, the points should always be there. Okay? Okay children. So with this we come to an end. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day.